Have you ever struggled to grow snowdrops, bluebells and aconites from bulbs? Well, here at YouGarden, we bring them to you in the green. What does in the green mean? It actually means we've lifted these from the ground while they're actively growing, normally just before or just after flowering. And the reason we do this is because it's much less traumatic to do it like this than actually provide them as bulbs. Because these bulbs like to be moist all the year through, they never like to dry out. If they're in packets, hanging on shelves for week after week after week, sometimes the bulbs become unviable. They don't thrive, they don't grow. Whereas these are lifted while they're growing, they're kept in cold storage, nice and moist, and then you plant them back in the ground and they haven't had that long period of being dried out. So they establish themselves very, very quickly and grow away. In fact, you can even see the snowdrops have already got flowers on, as of the aconites as well, and even the bluebells in May will probably have flowers on. Planting bulbs in the green is very, very simple. When it comes to the snowdrops or bluebells, you'll notice the base of the stem is white. It's got a blanched kind of look to it. So just make sure when you plant them, the white bit of the stem is below the soil level, just leaving the green tip protruding above. And again with the aconites, very, very simple. You can see the little flower emerging there. So plant these nice and shallow, make a little dip in the soil, drop the bulb in so the flower is just standing above the soil level. And before this as well, what you can do is dig in lots of organic material. Some of our professional compost, leaf mould, garden compost to give the soil lots of heart. Make sure it stays moist throughout the year, and these bulbs will multiply, they'll spread through seed and creating extra bulbs as well. And within 2 or 3 years, you'll have beautiful colonies of these, giving you super spring colour for year after year after year. So if you've struggled previously growing bulbs like this as bulbs, or even from seed if you've tried, try them in the green. You're much, much more likely to get that success. They'll very, very quickly establish if they've got that moist, damp soil that stays like that all the year through, lots of organic material, some dappled shade overhead, under trees and places like that, for example, or pots and containers. You can have these beautiful spring bulbs flowering every year from February all the way through till May with the bluebells, pots and containers, or in the open ground. So get them in the green, get them to thrive and get the result that you've always wanted.